see what's going on. Memories like the corners of my mind, misty water of memories, for the way we were. Scared picture of the smiles we left behind. As we give to one another for the way we were. But I gotta make up my mind for night turns to day. I remember the early she told me, yes, I'll be waiting for you, honey, and I'll make something special. But how am I gonna wait? I can't afford to wait. The lipstick stands, I got to go. Say for me, Dominica, the girl is waiting. It's wrapped up in tired. Can't take the young it's wrapped up in my head. I'm so tired. Imagine this is my gate. Wonder if she's awake or asleep yet. But if I know her while she's somewhere taking a what will my story be now? Yo, this one better be good. Tell me, should I get it right? But I confrontation with just a whisper of voices all day long. Man who don't sweet treat his woman, surely wasting a lot of time. She might not say it, but she needs tenderness and time. When I look in your eyes, baby, they see me as a woman. We never get tired, and I never let go of the world. No one's knocking on the door, disrespecting time, and I never have to go to work. No one's knocking on the door, disrespecting no, baby, no one's going. no hope, no change, no loophole, no escape for us or for a man.